Greetings all and welcome to AlgoFox. In today's video, we are going to talk about MACD crossover AFL. This AFL would generate signal as per MACD crossover. It also has a target and stop loss. It also has two modes where you can toggle between intraday trading or even positional trading. Just like all other AFLs, this AFL is also scan enabled, explore enabled, and we have also embedded it with backtest code. We have tested this code in various conditions and it is completely non-repenting in nature. This also comes with automation code embedded so that you can automate this trade without any external coding. We will also provide this AFL with source code so that you can share this with your friends and family and it will remain with you forever. The code works on all the time frames so that you can backtest on various time frames and check which time frame is most profitable for you. Let us look at how exactly it looks on AmiBroker and what are the backtest reports. To add this on AmiBroker, simply click on this plus button and then click on the new blank chart and go to the formula editor, open the MACD AFL and then apply. So once you apply on the background, you'll get the chart. Right click and close the upper empty pane and this is how MACD looks like. Now as you know that MACD is a lower indicator, the indicator is plotted below the chart. So we cannot plot MACD on this chart. However, if you want externally, you can place MACD chart below this chart to visually cross verify. To do that, simply go to the charts. In the charts, go to indicators and in the indicator there is MACD. Double click on it and you will get MACD indicator. You can see that whenever there is a crossover on MACD, a corresponding buy has been generated. And whenever there is a crossover towards short side in MACD, a corresponding short has been generated. I'll right click and go to a 5 minutes chart. So this is how it looks on a 5 minutes chart and these are the entries and exits generated using MACD crossover. You can check the backtest report by clicking on this plus button and going to new analysis. Choose the MACD crossover again here and go to the parameters, check the settings. MACD setting is 12, 26 and 9 by default. However, if you want any other MACD combination, you can do that here as well. You can choose the target and stop loss also. We have kept it as 1% target and 1% stop loss. And I'll click on OK and backtest the strategy for last 90 days. So the backtest result on my 180 stocks in last 90 days gives me a loss of 100% if I run it on a 15 minutes chart. But if I run it on a 5 minutes chart and backtest, the result is still the same. It is 100% loss. I can play around with the targets and stop loss to check if it makes a difference. I'll keep 2% target and 1% stop loss and then backtest. The result is still more or less the same. I can play around with MACD numbers 12, 26 and 9. I can play around with these numbers also to modify and check. You can play around with these backtest settings. You can even click on scan to check what are the results generated for that particular time frame. For example, if I want to check all the MACD crossovers that have happened today in the range, I'll select one recent day and click on scan. And these are the MACD based signals generated in entire day today. Similarly, if I select as recent bars, one recent bar and make it say 50 recent bar, that is a 50 last candles and click on scan. These are the signals generated in the last 50 candles. You can play around with scan, explore and backtest and check the results. If you're satisfied with the result, you can then automate it as well. However, while backtesting any strategy, remember you have to have adequate leverage during intraday and no leverage for positional trading. You have to add brokerage, taxes and slippages while having a backtest report. If you don't add them, then you will have abnormal backtest result. Also check the detailed report and check factors like drawdown, risk reward ratio, Sharpe ratio to understand what is working in your strategy and what is not working in your strategy. I've explained about all these factors in the previous videos. You can go through them. Apart from MACD, we're also giving you 10 other AFLs at 12,000 rupees. On your screen, you can see the list of the 10 AFLs that you're getting in 12,000 rupees. You can use all of them. All of them are scan enabled, explore enabled and backtest enabled and fully automated. I have created several videos in the past to explain the working procedure of each and every AFL. We'll talk about few more AFLs in our upcoming videos. So see you there in the upcoming videos. Thank you so much.